Hi guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at converting numbers from standard form into normal numbers. So it's really nothing too tricky here. All we're going to be doing is writing some zeros and moving some decimal points. So let's get cracking. So first of all, we're going to be looking at converting big numbers where we have a positive power of 10. So how are we going to do that? Well, what we're going to do, whatever our digit is at the start, or whatever our number being multiplied by 10 to the power is, we're just going to write that on its own. And then we're just going to smash some zeros after it. Now, it doesn't matter how many zeros yet. Let's just say we put five zeros after our 5. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to think of this digit of 5 as being 5.0. So in our new number that we've written down here, we put a decimal between the 5 and the first 0. Now what we need to do is move our decimal point 7 places to the right, because we're multiplying by 10 to the power of 7. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh dear, we've run out of zeros. That's alright though, we can put a couple more in, 6, 7. So 5 times 10 to the power of 7 is 5 with 7 zeros after it, which is the same as 50 million. So 5 times 10 to the power of 7 is 50 million. 5 with 7 zeros. Cool. Okay, what about 9 times 10 to the power of 4? Oh, let's just do exactly the same. Let's write 9. And then let's just put some zeros after it. Let's go for 6 this time. Why not? So then again, remember 9 would have a decimal straight after it. So if we put a decimal in between 9 and the first 0, how many places does that have to move? This time it has to move 4 places. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we get there is 9 with 4 zeros after it, like that. So we've got 90,000. Cool. Okay, so what about 6.7 times 10 to the 3? So we're just going to play exactly the same game. This time we've got 6.7, so let's whack some zeros after the 7. Remember, you can put as many zeros as you want after a decimal point. It does not change the number at all. So 6.7 is exactly the same as 6.70000. Okay, so now our decimal point needs to move 3 places to the right. So we can go 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 67 with 2 zeros after it, which is 6,700. Cool. Okay, 9.783 times 10 to the 6. Well, let's write down 9.783. Let's whack some zeros after it. Okay, now our decimal point needs to move 6 places to the right, because we're multiplying by a power of 6. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to get 9, 7, 8, 3, followed by 3 zeros, like that. That's our answer. Jobs to get him. Okay, what about 7.3564 times 10 to the power of 2? So let's write down our number, 7.3564. Now, hopefully you're realising by now, all that's happening is our decimal point is moving to the right the same number of places as the value of the power. So here, if we're multiplying this number by 10 to the power of 2, our decimal point is just going 1, 2 places to the right. So we're going to get 735.64. Okay, now that's our general rule for this. That the decimal point moves by the same number of places as the power of 10. If it's a positive power, it moves to the right. If it's a negative power, it moves to the left. Okay, what about 1.0006 times 10 to the power of 10? Well, our decimal point here then is going to need to move 10 places to the right. So let's write down 1.0006 and let's put some zeros after it. Let's see how we're going up to there, shall we? Okay, so we need to go 10 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not enough zeros, we need another 2. So, there we go, 9, 10. So, our answer to this one is 1,0,0,0,6, and then another 6 zeros after it, like that. So, with a number like that, you can really see why we use standard form. It's to avoid having to write all of those zeros. Okay, so that's how we write, or how we convert the big numbers written in standard form. Let's have a look at converting small numbers. So 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4. So now that we're dealing with negative powers, our decimal point moves to the left. So what we're going to do here then, we're going to take our number 5 and we're going to pretend again that it's 5.0. 5 is exactly the same as 5.0, so we're perfectly entitled to do that. But what we're going to do this time is write some zeros before the number. Now we can do that. Putting zeros before a number changes absolutely nothing about that number. So now all we need to do is move our decimal point 4 places to the left. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to give us then 0.0005. Okay, so once we know where the decimal point is going, we don't want any of those spare zeros at the start. Technically it's not wrong, but we don't like to write more than we have to. It's all about keeping things neat and tidy. Okay, on with the next. 9.67 times 10 to the minus 2. So we're going to write down 9.67, and this time we're going to put some zeros before the 9. Now we've got a power of minus 2, so our decimal point then is going 2 places to the left, so we're going 1, 2. So we're going to get 0.0967, like that. So 9.67 times 10 to the power of minus 2 is 0.0967. Jobs are good. Okay, 6.443 times 10 to the power of minus 1. So 6.443. Now then, what's going to happen here is the decimal. Oh, this time it's only going to move 1 place to the left. So it's going to go from there to there. So we're just going to be left with the 0.6443. Jobs are good. Okay, the last one then for this video, guys. 8.3423 times 10 to the power of minus 5. So let's just write down our number, 8.3423. Let's just put some zeros before the 8. Let's see what happens, see if we've got enough there, shall we? Okay, so we've got times 10 to the power of minus 5. So our decimal needs to go 5 places to the left. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to put 1 more 0 there before. So we're going to get 0.0008343. Jobs are good in. Okay guys, that's how we convert numbers from standard form into normal numbers. Hope it's helped you. Was this video helpful? If so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment letting me know how you get on. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any videos. For any further information, you can find me on Facebook or Twitter. Search for Maths with Melv. Cheers, guys.